I'm going to show you what happens when you use a homemade solution to kill weeds. But I've seen so many people raving about this concoction, and I thought I'll try it as well. I've tried many other homemade weed killers and none of them was good. So I thought, well, let's give this one a try. Vinegar, salt, and bit of washing up liquid or vegetable oil. So I tried it about 4 weeks ago and I praised it. I thought, well, it's brilliant, it's really good. But this is what happens after 3 weeks when it rains. You get loads of weeds come up, loads of them. Now you can't keep on spraying the ground with vinegar, strong vinegar and salt. It's going to damage the soil. Luckily enough, I got these cones and my fruit tree is still growing, and a cucumber there with some of these plants here. So I came in the garden this morning after seeing the whole area, all that area after a couple of days rain was like this here, all weeds. So I pulled my sleeves up and pulled everything out by hand. As you can see, I dug up here as well, and there's no weeds around here. I pulled everything up by hand because I didn't want to use any more homemade solution, because constantly using vinegar and salt is going to affect the soil. Nice and clear, no weeds. So moral of the story is, I don't recommend any of these homemade concoctions for killing the weeds. I would stick to the proper weed killers that are manufactured and are proven. It's very well putting these weed killer solutions on to get views on the internet, TikTok, YouTube. But when it comes down to you, after you used it and you see what happens afterwards, you pull your hair out because it makes it even worse. So I should never use salt and vinegar again. Nice artichoke. If I keep using salt and vinegar, I could damage this artichoke. And my satin peaches. So what I'm doing now is I'm planting my vegetables in a pots now, and the melon, because as far as I know, that soil is damaged now. Maybe another 4 or 5 weeks, or maybe a couple of months before I start giving it a feed and get back to a neutral state, instead of having too much vinegar and salt on it. Anyway, I thought I'll let you people know. Just be careful what you watch on social media about these homemade solutions.